So we're gonna start with a breakfast dish.
Okay, great.
That could also be brunch, but the shortcut in this one is frozen waffles.
Oh, fun! And so many families have them in the freezer anyway.
Exactly, and if you make your own waffles and freeze them, then just take them and cut them into quarters. So what I'm gonna ask you to do for me, Rachel, if you wouldn't mind, we've already cut these frozen waffles into quarters. I want you to give me a nice even layer in your beautiful 13 by 9.
Thank you.
And we have sprayed a little bit of non-stick cooking spray in the bottom. You could also do a little butter if you wanted to. We're gonna make an easy custard that goes along with this.
Great.
So we already got eggs inside our measuring cup. We're gonna add to that some half and half.
You want me to whisk while you're adding stuff?
That would be lovely.
Poke the yolks there, get them going.
Go ahead and give this a nice whisk. And to this mixture, we're going to add some melted butter. Always a good thing.
Delicious. Everything's better with butter.
Well, particularly in the holidays, right? A little brown sugar, light brown sugar.
LBS.
That's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
There we go. Now, I'm gonna give you just a little pinch of cinnamon.
Little ground cinnamon, excellent.
There we go, come on. There we go.
Come on, buddy.
Just enough to color him up a little bit.
There we go.
A little good vanilla.
Real vanilla extract.
Always encourage you to keep some good vanilla. And 2/3 a cup of maple syrup.
Perfect. So it's a maple custard.
It's a maple custard. Let this sit for a few minutes because once it does that, it will soak up all that beautiful custard mixture.
Yum.
And then we're gonna pop this into the oven.
Let me throw him into the cauldron.
Would you? That would be fantastic.
All right.
And so what's gonna happen here is that's going to bake up in the oven really quickly, about 35 to 45 minutes. And then what we're gonna do is take mixed berries. Now, I have done strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries. You can do any berries that you like. You're gonna take a little extra maple syrup here, Rachel, and we're going
grab
to
this one?
Yeah, that'd be great.
I got the hot one.
So we'll bring him out, and what happens here is that this gets golden brown delicious.
Yum.
So it's really, really lovely. It's buttery, it's custard, it's really rich, and it's got that great maple flavor.
Beautiful.
Right? Then we take our mixed berries that I've got right here, get it into a bigger bowl.
Okay.
Like so. And then we're gonna take more maple syrup and toss this in maple syrup.
Oh, just to give him a little coat.
And if you like whipped topping, and who doesn't, right? Put a little whipped topping on there.
Whipped cream wouldn't be bad. There you go.
And that is a lovely, lovely dish. This is an easy make-ahead casserole. So what we've already done is boiled off some penne pasta, and we've got this in a bowl. I heard you always like to reserve a little bit of your starchy water.
Yeah.
Keep that pasta loose.
Keep it moist, right.
This is one of my supermarket shortcuts, jarred sauce. Find your favorite. I have a favorite brand. I think most people do. So you grab this, and you want to add this into your pasta. So we're just going to pour this in. Now, if you've got some of your own sauce, you can use that as well. Some Parmigiano Reggiano.
Nice.
And some Fontina. Now, I love Fontina.
I love Fontina, too.
Good melting cheese, isn't it? Now, I'm gonna give this a little stir because my next supermarket shortcut, we're gonna take chicken cutlets that we bought pre-breaded and cooked at the supermarket.
Oh my God, it's like chicken parm casserole.
It's total chicken parm casserole.
Parm casserole!
That's exactly what it is. And what the beauty of this, you can either buy pre-breaded tenders or pre-breaded cutlets.
Right.
Cut them into 1-inch squares, and then just pop them into the casserole. See how easy this is?
It's amazing.
And the kids can get involved with a lot of the recipes.
Pleaser
too,
right?
And I'm telling you, it's easy, it's simple. So this is fantastic.
Who doesn't love a casserole, right?
So you pop in this chicken parm goodness. It smells fantastic.
Beautiful.
And what we're going to do
you want a little extra cheese
well,
on
we're going to do
top?
that later.
Oh,
what we're going to do is get this into the oven and get it warm through.
Gotcha.
Once it comes out of the oven warm, we're going to top it with some really melty, lovely shredded mozz and get it back into the oven. I'd be happy to.
I'll get the cold and
well,
you get
I'm
the
told
hot.
we're going to pop that one back here because we already have two in the oven.
Gotcha.
All right, so we've got one that's already been pre-baked in the oven. This is basically warmed through.
Warmed through.
Remember, all your ingredients are already cooked. You're just warming them, right?
You're just bringing it together. Gotcha.
Now, what we're going to do is take the shredded mozz and we're going to make a layer all over the top.
Yum. Okay.
We happen to have a finished one in here, thank goodness.
All right, you put that one in and we'll bring out the other one.
Pop him back into the oven so he can warm up.
Oh, that guy looks good.
I'm told your crew is going to feast on this when we're done.
Oh, they're psyched. Believe me, they're going to be fighting each other for
My
this.
crew on In the Kitchen with David, nobody eats better in the whole building at QVC than my team. All right. Now, we're not quite done yet because one of the nice things about chicken parm is to top it off with fresh basil.
Yum. Oh, it smells so good,
And
David.
it smells great. It's an easy make ahead. And if you want to make a couple pans of these for the holidays, you can freeze them.
They freeze ahead, too.
They freeze beautifully.